Starting around the 12th of April 2023, Dogelon Mars certainly is exchanging at $0 term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.2% in by and large most recent 1 hour in an unpretentious manner. ELON in every practical sense has a genuinely complete market cap of $176,133,232 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $2,850,932 in an every practical sense huge way. This in every practical sense makes Dogelon Mars by and large positioning at 174 in the digital money market, which explicitly is very critical. On the off chance that you explicitly are a crypto financial backer and considering what explicitly is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogelon Mars generally be somewhat worth in 2023, or so they generally thought? Is Dogelon Mars an especially wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, or so they truly thought? Will ELON cost, all things considered, outperform its unequaled high in a very significant manner? These are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for ELON's future in an unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars Value Forecast 2023. As per the Dogelon Mars Gauge Cost and Specialized Examination, in 2023 the ELON cost generally is supposed to truly cross a normal value level of $0. The normal especially least value worth of Dogelon Mars toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to in a real sense be $0, which sort of is genuinely critical. Besides, ELON can in every practical sense arrive at an especially greatest value level of $0. So fundamentally is Dogelon Mars in every way that really matters wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is genuinely huge. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation April 2023. Dogelon Mars cost is supposed to really reach between $0 April 2023, while the typical cost of ELON for the April basically remains around $0. Mars Value Figure May 2023. In May 2023 the cost of Dogelon Mars in every practical sense is supposed to be at around a very least of $0 in every way that really matters. Further appearance how these are our Dogelon Mars cost expectations for ELON's future, which generally is very critical. Dogelon Mars cost can in a real sense arrive at a very limit of $0, the exceptionally normal cost of $0 USD, exhibiting how in the event that you really are a crypto financial backer and considering what generally is the Dogelon Mars cost forecast finish of 2023. What will Dogelon Mars explicitly be genuinely worth in 2023 in a truly significant manner? Dogelon Mars Value Figure June 2023. For June 2023, the cost of Dogelon Mars by and large is especially anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of $0. The coin could exchange between a fundamentally limit of $0, a sort of least of $0, or so they really thought. Dogelon Mars Value Estimate July 2023. In July 2023, the in every practical sense greatest cost for Dogelon Mars could truly stretch around $0 in especially huge manner. Besides, the minimum cost of ELON in July 2023 really is $0, a typical cost of $0. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation August 2023. The cost of Dogelon Mars especially is certainly anticipated to for the most part reach at an in every practical sense least worth of $0 August 2023. The ELON cost could for the most part arrive at a by and large greatest worth of $0, the especially normal exchanging worth of $0 through 2023, showing how especially is Dogelon Mars an especially wise venture or sort of worth purchasing in 2023, or so they explicitly thought. Dogelon Mars Value Expectation September 2023. The cost for Dogelon Mars in September 2023 can run somewhere in the range of $0. Fundamentally further appearance how on the off chance that you truly are a crypto financial backer and considering what for the most part is the Dogelon Mars cost expectation end of 2023. What will Dogelon Mars generally be truly worth in 2023, which really is very huge. While the in every practical sense normal exchanging cost ought to really be around $0, or so they in a real sense thought. Dogelon Mars Value Conjecture October 2023. The by and large normal cost of Dogelon Mars could go to $0 the finish of October 2023 in a fundamentally enormous manner. ELON could fundamentally be exchanging around a truly most extreme worth of $0, the truly least expected cost of $0 in unpretentious manner. Dogelon Mars Value Figure November 2023. In November 2023, the truly most extreme cost for Dogelon Mars could especially stretch around $0 a kind of large manner. Besides, the minimum cost of ELON in November 2023 really is $0, a truly normal cost of $0, or so they basically thought. ELON Value Estimate December 2023. The Dogelon Mars Gauge for December 2023 expects that the ELON may explicitly arrive at a truly most extreme worth of $0, a kind of least cost of around $0. Discussing the sort of typical value ELON can stretch around $0 December. which explicitly is very huge. Dogelon Mars truly passed value examination in the genuinely beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been by and large diminished by 4.01% and it's in every way that really matters, current worth, or so they truly thought. On the off chance that we in a real sense look at the very current market cap of the ELON with yesterday, you can explicitly see that the market cap in every practical sense is likewise down in a sort of significant manner. Dogelon Mars explicitly is confronting a genuinely tough time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins. For the most part, further appearance how Dogelon Mars pretty passed value examination in the sort of beyond 24 hours. The crypto essentially has been by and large diminished by 4.01% in its ongoing worth, which for the most part is genuinely huge. The ELON fundamentally is down to nearly 9.55% in the very most recent 7 days. Showing how besides ELON can really arrive at an in every practical sense greatest value level of $0. So in every practical sense, is Dogelon Mars a genuinely wise venture or truly worth purchasing in 2023, lovely as opposed to mainstream thinking? The coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining portions for exceptionally past by and large couple of days. The coin could in a real sense have areas of strength for truly yet. We don't generally imagine that it would a beneficial resource in fundamentally present moment, showing how Dogelon Mars explicitly is confronting a kind of difficult time jumping aboard with essentially other crypto coins. Further appearance how Dogelon Mars truly passed value examination in the kind of beyond 24 hours. The crypto for the most part has been in every way that really matters, diminished by 4.01% in its truly current worth in an extremely huge manner. Dogelon Mars value figure 2023. What will fundamentally be Dogelon Mars pretty worth in 2023 in an unobtrusive manner? The ELON cost basically is guanched to explicitly arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $0, least cost of $0, the finish of 2023, which fundamentally shows that the ELON certainly is down to nearly 9.55% in the essentially most recent 7 days, exhibiting how besides ELON can generally arrive at a greatest value level of $0. So is Dogelon Mars a truly wise speculation or worth purchasing in 2023, which generally is very critical? Does Dogelon Mars essentially have a future in a significant manner? As far as value, Dogelon Mars in a real sense has a remarkable potential to arrive at new levels incredibly. It is figured that ELON will increment in esteem, or so they especially thought, as indicated by unambiguous specialists and business experts. Dogelon Mars can explicitly raise a ruckus around town, the most exorbitant cost of $0 2030, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is Dogelon Mars truly worth purchasing in 2023? Amazingly, Dogelon Mars' worth really is supposed to by and large keep on extending, as lack will in generally energize cost rise. If it's not too much trouble. Note, there is a gamble to any speculation, or so they in every practical sense thought. Only in every practical sense. Put resources into what you can explicitly achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the sort of greatest examination conceivable, exhibiting that Dogelon Mars' incentive in every practical sense is supposed to sort of keep on extending.